We now go to the Geometry tab and click the Section Manager button. In the Section Manager window, you define a list of profiles that can be assigned to structure bars. The list of available cross-sections is displayed in the central part of this window. By default, the section list has one PE 200 section. By clicking the New button, you can add a new cross-section and use it later in the project. Let's click New. In the Select Cross-Section window, you will find the section PE 500. We expand the tree. The database contains all typical sections used in designing. If there is no section, we can, for example, create any section by editing the existing section. We can also load the new section from the DXF file. We choose the position I-beam, IPE. We select IPE 500 and click the OK button. The new IPE 500 section has appeared in the section list available in the project of the Section Manager window. From now on, this section can be assigned to structure members.